Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like a video inside of your text on Canva. I'm just going to select this purple and I'll copy and paste that. Go to effects and you're going to select the hollow one. You can use any color that you want. And you are going to select elements. I'm just going to type in like purple smoke here. Go to videos and find one with like a white background like these ones. Or maybe you can find another color for it. Trying to find one with like a white background here. I think I'm just going to use this one. It's fine. Select the edit video and you're going to select background remover to the video. Then I'm going to right click and I'm going to select layers and I'll select show layers. And I'm going to place it in the middle of these two. And that is pretty much it really. Now you have this really cool video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!